Court is calling 2025 CR 012612 State versus Antonio S. Laura. Can I have parties announced?
Character State.
Jose Rocha for the defendant. Ready, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. S. Laura?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. S. Laura, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, have a motion to amend on the indictment, and so it's regarding the priors, regarding the prior ending in 47W. I'd like to change the offense to read as theft under 1500 enhanced. And then regarding the cause number ending in 41W, I'd like for it to read as theft under 2500 enhanced.
Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor. I have reviewed these proposed amendments with my client. He understands it and he's ready to proceed.
All right, Mr. S. Laura, do you understand that that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any objections to proceeding? And are you waiving notice?
Gentlemen.
All right, are you waiving notice, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Mr. S. Laura, did you review the document entitled Court's Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this
Yes, Your
case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe so.
Mr. S. Laura, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? I'm sorry, what?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
The other state's one in it.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Correct, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, my client wishes this court to consider time that he's already been served and also the 80-20 rule.
All right, Mr. S. Laura, why do you keep stealing?
I have, honestly,
Yeah, let's be honest.
it's, I just finished serving 29 years, and my problem is, I do have a drug habit.
Mhm.
And that escalates to a lot of fun.
Well,
I know I need some help. I know that.
how old are you?
I'm 58 years old.
All right, I can tell you this because I'm in the same boat. More of your life is behind you than in front of you. And if you don't make some changes, you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in prison.
That I don't want, you know.
I mean, but your actions are saying something differently. I understand, I've never been addicted to drugs, right? So when I say I understand the concepts. But if you don't change your life, only one or two things going to happen. Either you're going to be in prison for the rest of your life,
Mm.
or either somebody's going to be identifying your body.
No, man. Lost all my family. And that's the hard part.
Mhm.
Because that means back to drug addiction. And I'm sick and tired of it. I've been to rehabs.
Mhm.
I've done my part, please. I've done my part. And I know I still need some help.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to sentence you to 6 months in the state jail facility. Legally, I must give you credit for any time served. I'm going to give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. I'm going to request the therapeutic community. That's to help you with any drug addictions you may have. Once you're released from the prison, or I should say from state jail facility, if you can't find a place for treatment, if you come back here, I'm still here. I'll pick up the phone and call so that you can get into transitioning housing and get someone to help you with your drug addiction. Like I can have you and say, hey, this is the facility for you. I've called, they're ready to accept you. Whether you accept it or not, that's in your purview, okay?
Well, really, that's what I need.
Okay. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Some idea.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, miss.
All right, we can go off the record. I'm serious. Your life is going to end up one or two ways if you continue on this path. Either in prison for the rest of your life, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body, because the last time you use may be the last time you use. And then if you continue to commit thefts to support your habit, people have been known to get shot for doing that. You understand?
Sure.
And people will just say, oh, well, he was robbing, the store. You understand?
Sure.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can do it. I've seen people do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.